Welcome to BestoLMS. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add a student to your school's system. From the side menu, under the People section, click on Students. Now, click on Add Your First Student or the Add Student button on the top right corner. Start by entering the student's first name and last name. Create a unique username and password for their login access. Next, enter the email ID, phone number, and residential address. Choose the gender and add the student's date of birth. Now, assign the student to the correct class and section. Select the parent or guardian of the student from the list. This connects the student profile with their parent account. Finally, enter the student's roll number and click on Create Student. And that's it. You've successfully added a student in BestoLMS. With every detail in place, managing student records and linking them with parents becomes seamless and efficient. Stay tuned for more BestoLMS tutorials.